Hello friends, BHEL Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited Tiruchirappalli is given a notification for engagement of graduate apprentice and also technical apprentice and trade apprentice. We'll see one by one for the year 21-22. So before going to the details, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and also like the video, and also please share my video with your friends. So first of all, we are seeing the notification for graduate apprentice. So here these are the various disciplines and these are the various vacancy details. For mechanical or production engineers, 44 vacancies are there. Electrical, electronics engineering and electrical instrumentation engineering, 6 vacancies, and electronics communication 2, computer science and information technology 7, civil engineering 6, and chemical engineering 1, total 6. So these are the reservation details, like 19% for SC candidates, 1% for ST, 27% OBC, and 10% for EWS candidates, and 4% for physically challenged candidates in this post. These are the reservation details. And if you see the age limit between 18 to 27 years as on 10/4/2021, and there is a age relaxation of 5 years for SC/ST candidates and 3 years for OBC candidates, and also physically challenged candidates there is a 10 years for the upper age limit relaxation is there. And also minimum educational qualification, a degree in engineering and technology in the considered discipline should be required. And if you see, so the candidate has to register in Board of Apprentice Training portal, that is www.mhrrdnats.gov.in portal, this portal. And after that you have to note down a number, and after that you have to apply in BHEL Trichy portal. So during the training period, that is training period is for 1 year, and a stipend of 9,000 is paid during the entire training period. This is a consultant fee. And how to apply means you have to visit the Ministry of Education GUI portal, that is www.mhrDNATS.gov.in portal. You have to note down, register there, and you have to note down that 16-digit unique apprentice registration number. So this 16-digit apprentice registration number is mandatory for submitting the online application in BHEL. First you have to visit this portal, you have to apply, and you will get number of 16-digit number, and that number is required for the application for this apprentice post. So after completing that registration, candidates has to visit BHEL Trichy portal. This is the link. This link I will give in the description, and you have to refer the all instructions carefully. So only online mode of application is accepted here. Candidates has to upload the scanned copies of latest photograph, scanned copy of signature, scanned copy of documents like age proof, 10th class certificates, and mark sheets, caste certificate, Aadhaar card, and bank pass front page. So all these details has to be submitted. So, and these are the rules and information given. So this I will give the link in the description, and these are the important dates to be remembered. Online application opening date is 1/4/2021, and closing is 14/4/2021, and publication of shortlisted candidates is 16/4/2021. Tentative certificate verification is 21/4/21. Tentative joining date will be intimated to the selected candidates. There is a notification for technical apprentice also. We'll see that. So here is the engagement of technical apprentice. So these are the vacancies: mechanical production 49, electrical and electronics 8, and electronics is 5, computer science is 2, civil is 6. So for this diploma is the education qualification required. So age limit is same given, and if you see education qualification, diploma in engineering concerned discipline is required, and sandwich courses are not eligible for this apprentice. And you have to remember, should you complete the diploma in 2018, 19 and 20. So for previous graduate apprentice also, you have to complete your graduation 18, 19 or 20 only. So before 2018 is not allowed, and 2021 is also not allowed. So these 3 years you must complete your degree or diploma in these 3 years only. So here also, first of all, you have to register in www.mhrrdnats.gov.in portal. So this is the apprenticeship portal, and you have to get the number. And here stipend will be 8,000 per month is the consolidated, and will be paid as a stipend in the entire training period. So the procedure will be here given. Meeting the eligibility criteria, first you have to register in Ministry of Education or GOI portal, that is this portal, and you have to get this 6-digit number, the same as the previous one. So this is for diploma candidates, and you have to visit this site, and remaining thing will be same. So here also the dates are also same, and we'll see the notification for trade apprenticeship. So this is a notification for trade apprenticeship. So for fitter, welder, turner, machinist, electrician. So these are the training period, and this is a consolidated stipend, and these are the vacancies. So this also I will give this link in the description, and this is the educational qualification given for various posts. The age limit, upper and lower age limits are given, and these age relaxations, same thing. So here, first of all, candidates has to register in Apprenticeship India portal and note on the 10 digits number. So this is the different for this apprenticeship of trade applications. Previously we have seen the graduate apprentice and technician apprentice. So there, this GOI portal is different, and here it is given different www.apprenticeship.org. So here you have to register, and you have to get note down the 10 digits unique apprenticeship registration number, and this is required for submitting the online application in BHEL. So we have to, after visiting or registering in this apprenticeship portal, you have to visit the BHEL Trichy site, and you have to read the instruction, and you have to fill the online application, and you have to upload these documents. And the procedure will be same, and the dates so same. So these links I will give the description, these PDF links you can read and you can apply. So thanks for watching. So don't forget to share my video with your friends. Thank you.